What's up, the Operators Truck Club? Right now, I am making my third delivery of the week to Hatfield, Pennsylvania, with 52,000 pounds on my chassis. And the beast is handling it great. So I should be coming up to my turn here shortly, I believe at the light. I'll make a right. And it's like a little industrial area. Speed limit is 35 in this residential area. So we are taking our time, and I have 52,000 pounds on me, so I'm shifting through the gears ever so smoothly. We got some electrical guys right here at the corner, so I don't want to be in their way. And we are in our industrial area. Away from all of the common four-wheelers. Hopefully when I pull up, I know there's one other driver with an appointment time, two other drivers. One that has an appointment time of 8, another at 10, and me at 12. So hopefully they're gone and out of the way by the time I pull up. But since Monday, when I walked into the warehouse, that warehouse looked like it was packed of product, and they're probably struggling to find room for these pallets coming in. So we have a 3-way stop sign coming up. A lot of guys like to just roll right through these stop signs because I'm in an industrial area, so ain't no traffic really coming through here. Sometimes you got guys on bikes, people walking around, jogging on their break, doing their little walk. So you always got to keep your head on the swivel. My warehouse up ahead is where we are going, and I see my boys in the dock getting unloaded. So hopefully we don't have to wait that long. If he's been here since 9 or 10, he should be out of the way by the time we get situated. So and voila, we are here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my paperwork all ready to go. So we can get this thing going. just parked up, walking right now, headed to BJ's to get me some, maybe some swimming trunks or some shorts to go in the sauna with, or maybe a towel or something like that to go to the gym, take a quick bath. It would be better if they didn't have this. Oh, it's a train track right there, that's why. So, yeah, so as a trucker, if you're ever on the road, it's cool to have gym memberships like Planet Fitness or LA Fitness, anywhere that has a shower, because sometimes you get to work out, and also you're able to take a shower right after. And with those memberships, you know, it's always good to stay healthy as a trucker out here on the road. Ain't too many healthy options to eat or stay healthy, period. Sitting down for long periods of time is not very good for your body. So yeah, going to the gym on a consistent basis. If you stop for a night, it's always good to head over to the gym. If you're over the road, like I said, they have a shower, so it's always cool to be able to work out and take a shower right after when you're in a weird city. So, and also, it's always good to have a BJ's wholesale club membership or a Costco membership. They got a bunch of stuff that you can use for your benefits, so that's always a good thing to do, to have. Like right now, I need a pair of shorts, and voila, BJ's is literally 0.1 of a mile across the street, and they actually got good stuff for cheap. You'll find a lot of name brand stuff, even socks and underwear, even some athletic shoes sometimes, maybe. Say if you got your work boots on and you're like, oh, I'm not gonna go to the gym with my work boots. Oh, maybe I could go with some pair shoes from BJ's. And boom, voila. Costco, something like that. Walmart always isn't an option. So, all right, about to do some shopping and then head over to the gym. This is how you come to the gym. Hey, find you an electric scooter and you good. All right, now let me hide my scooter so nobody takes it. So, going over the charts for Q1 predictions in the truckload industry, we see that there is a truckload inflation coming on the way. So basically, contract rates are starting to be rejected more, and they're starting to go to the spot market. And that is good because truckers are starting to refuse loads because either the weather, the cost of fuel, or they just can't afford to run these types of loads for whatever reason. And this is gonna cause the rates to go up. So this is a good thing. It was supposed to happen quicker in Q1. They predicted that to happen that way, but the way things are looking is still on a slower trajectory, because basically shippers are still going back on the terms that they had with Q4, Q3 of 2023. So they don't want things to change, and they have to. So yes. So as we're looking and reading this article from Coyote and their Coyote chart, rates are starting on an upward trend. So we shall see by the end of Q1 and the beginning of Q2 an increase in rates. And if things go good, that should be good for the truckers out there on the road. And obviously that's what we are hoping for, are better rates, because I mean, diesel dropped for a little bit, but now we're starting to go on an upward trend again. So 1 week it was $3.90, $3.80, probably 2 weeks ago for a gallon of diesel, and right now it's back up to $4.87. So we jumped right back $1 in 2 weeks. So yeah, it just doesn't make sense to start taking these lows when you're paying more money out of pocket. You know, every year tolls go up in price, especially in the Northeast region. Fuel goes up in price, and these maintenance costs aren't cheap either. So yeah, it's been an upward battle for truckers in this industry, but they're starting to look at stabilization going on right now. But now we're at an upward trend. Hopefully prices and rates go up for truckers, because I mean, in the Northeast region, contractor rates are going for $1.40 a mile, and I mean, it's just not feasible. It's not feasible at all. So let's hope for the best, and hopefully things are good in the future. So we can only go on what they predict, and as of right now, that's all we have. Also, I think the Fed is cutting interest rates probably in the summertime, so that should be a good sign as well for the market, in all terms of all markets, stock market, trucking market, everything included. So we'll see what goes on, and hope and pray for the best. All right, truckers, catch y'all on the road.